I'm standing in a small stream in an urbanizing part of central Arkansas. This little stream system ultimately drains into the Arkansas River, and 6 years ago it looked completely different than it does today. Everything upstream of me was extremely incised, and this bank was just degrading more and more every year. Through 404 permitting, a mitigation project, and stream restoration that our company has completed, we have returned this stream back to more of a natural condition. We're currently working with some nonprofits in the area to develop an entire watershed management plan that we hope will not only improve this stream further, but all the streams in this larger Huckett watershed. I'm Greg Phillips with GBMc and Associates. Our clients all know us as GBMc. We do not only stream restoration and watershed management, but we provide stormwater management services, NPDES permitting, air permitting, just about anything in the environmental realm you can think of we provide. If you need any help, just give us a call.